guys, it's Sweety Pie and welcome back. Back again. We're gonna do a Physicians Formula lip swatch. I'm trying not to be too loud because it's like, you know, it's only like 1 o'clock in the afternoon and people got kids, alright? Anyway, today we're going to do a Physicians Formula lip swatch video. This is on their Healthy Velvet liquid lipstick set. This is a 13 liquid lipstick set, plus you get a lip gloss. It's like an iridescent lip gloss. It says, oh, it's the Healthy Lip Transformer. High impact metallic finish instantly transforms any lip color with amazing one-stroke payoff. Blend of plant-derived ingredients infused with vitamin A, E, and organic mongongo oil is ideal for sensitive skin and provides cushion, nourishment, and long wear. Use alone or layer over your favorite Physicians Formula lip product. Holy, that's a mouthful. And then their the Healthy Lip Velvet Liquid Lipstick is a gorgeous, long-lasting lip color that is great for your lips. Our Healthy Lip Velvet Liquid Lipstick is enriched with organic avocado oil as well as vitamin A and E to create a smooth, hydrating, and comfortable wear that lasts. Holy moly! Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Let's get into this. This is the entire line. I did look it up on Physicians Formula, and there's actually one more than they have on the Physicians Formula website. So I don't know if there's more in the line. I'm pretty sure this is it. Maybe they have an extra color in here. I'll try to figure that out once I film this video. All right, let's get into this because this is going to be a long one. All right. So the first one we have in the set is the color All Natural Nude, and it's the one I was wearing in my intro. The next one I have is Coral Minerals. After a while, sometimes it just becomes hard to put them on. The wand is amazing though, honestly. One of those tipped ones that has the well in the middle. So good. This one is called Dose of Rose. Then we have Bear With Me. Then we have Berry Healthy. And some of the shine that's on there will actually dissipate a bit, but these do have a healthy amount of like budge. They're not completely 150%, you know, budge proof, which gives them like some moisture to them, but they still have staying power. I figured I would go grab my phone and watch some beauty news. This one is Nutritious, like nutritious, but N-U-T, nut. Their puns are ridiculous. This is the Fight Free Radicals actually. And this is the one I wore to work, and it's so freaking pretty. Like, bam, red. Makes your teeth white. Next, we have Magenta Formula. One is Tulip Treatment. And this is like a hot coral. I think it looks more red on camera, but compared to this one, which is Fight Free Radicals, you see the difference. Whoop, there we go. The next one we have is their like dark ooh, it's like the dark mauve, and it's Raisin Immunities. Raisin Immunities, like raisin, you know, like grape raisin. Ugh, gosh, these names. But it is pretty. It's a little bit, it could be just because I've already put on like 10 lipsticks. It does seem a little tiny bit streaky, but could be fixed with a lip liner. Next one we have is one that would be perfect for fall if you do that like fall lip color kind of thing. It's called, ooh, what was it? Restorative Effects. Like restorative, but restorative, you know. And this is the second to last one, and then I will put the gloss over top of the last one. This is Vitamin Beet, and it is like a more berry shade. Absolutely fantastic gloss. Oh my god, I've got eyeshadows everywhere. I'm losing my mirror, packaging all over the place. This is their last shade, which is Nourishing Plum. And it is the tiniest bit streaky. On my teeth. But I do like it. I think it's cute. I think it's nice. I think with 2 layers it would be even better. But we're not going to do that. We are going to put the Physicians Formula. This is their Opalescent Transformer shade. And I'm going to try to get quite a bit on the brush because I don't want to have to dip in again. I know this is going to transfer. Even though, to the touch, it's as dry as it's getting. See? Obviously, putting this on top of any of the liquid lipsticks is going to make them more of a lipstick formula. So, like, this is not going to be kiss proof, but this is what it looks like. I got that stupid Ariana Grande song in my head. Thank you, next. Thank you, next. Alright guys, well that was the extremely quick, because I'm going to edit the crap out of this. It took me about an hour to swatch all of these, but here they are, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I might just throw in the gloss on its own right here. I probably would never wear this on its own, but this is the gloss. Just because it does that thing. Ooh, my lips are chapped. Well, I'm assuming trying on all 13 of these healthy lips is not going to make my lips healthy. But, yeah, I did this for my Instagram, and I wanted to do this for YouTube as well because, you know, it was a swatch party. See, I will try and link this somewhere, hopefully, because I did find it on my Rexall, which I don't know if they have in the States, and I know that most of you guys are probably from the USA. But, yeah, I will try and link it down below. Love you guys so much. Subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. Mwah! I love you guys. Bye!